Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Bitcoin from Gemini to Revolut. It's a straightforward process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or just want a quick refresher, this guide will save you time and hassle. First things first, let's get started. Open up your Gemini app or website and log in with your credentials. Make sure your account is verified and you have some Bitcoin in your wallet. Double-check your balance to avoid any surprises. Once you're in, navigate to your Bitcoin wallet. Look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the dashboard. Gemini has made this even easier in 2025 with updated interfaces, so it should be intuitive. Next, you'll need your Revolut wallet address. Hop over to the Revolut app, go to your crypto section, and select Bitcoin. Copy the wallet address. Be extra careful here, as one wrong character could send your Bitcoin to the wrong place. Back in Gemini, paste the Revolut address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send, and don't forget to review the network fees. In 2025, Bitcoin transactions might use the Lightning Network for faster, cheaper transfers, so select that if it's available to keep costs low. Before you hit confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Check the address, the amount, and any confirmation prompts. Gemini will likely send you a two-factor authentication code for security. Enter it to proceed. Once submitted, the transaction will process, which could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Finally, jump back to Revolut and refresh your crypto balance. You should see your Bitcoin arrive shortly. If it doesn't show up right away, don't panic. Just give it some time and check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer like blockchain.com. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now in Revolut, ready for spending or trading. Remember, always stay vigilant with crypto to protect your assets. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.